Now folks, we got a, I call it a fairly large steam engine, inch bore, 1.25 inch stroke. And I've got it running off of my Jensen 4-inch boiler. It's got over a 1300 watt heater in it, so it really makes up steam fast. And this appears to be a really good runner. Pretty tight. Let me turn my juice reducer down a little bit. Let's take a closer look. It's got a really nice linkage and mechanisms. Very well built. It's got an aluminum base. Nice brass on the flywheel around the both ends of the piston casting. It's very efficient because my boiler is wanting to pop the safety valve all the time. And since it's bumping up 50 psi on my boiler, I think I will open this engine up a little bit. Let's give her some go. Pretty tight too. Had a couple of drips here and there, but they seem to have sealed up when it got under steam. Tighten these head bolts up. Another quarter of a turn, and that took care of everything. Pretty efficient, tight, good running steamer. I'm happy with it. Thanks for looking, folks. St. Paul Steam, see you later.